Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly show you Anima's new AI playground, where we allow you to take a Figma design, turn it into code, and prompt a way to make it work, and it's magical. I don't know if you know the term, but it's called vibe coding, where you just prompt, you don't care about the code, and things happen thanks to LLMs. So let's start with a Figma design, and here I have a Figma design with auto layout, components, and right naming. Simply copying the link to this artboard, pasting link at anima.com. It will fetch my design, turn it into code, then we could prompt away. Okay, so my Figma design turned into code and it's actually functional. So these things that look like menu items turn into menu items, and this drawing of a text input turned into an actual text input. And these are all buttons. So this is what Anima does. It turns designs from pixels into actual functional code. And also wanted to show you that this thing is actually responsive thanks to using auto layout. So let's prompt away and let's try to make it work. Okay. Now Anima takes my prompt, takes my code, rewriting it in a way that will actually work. Okay, let's see how it works. So I asked it to allow me to mark tasks as done. And we also added a nice confetti effect, and only to require was the prompting. So that's super cool. We also asked it to allow collapsing. That works. Let's add a few more stuff. Okay, so I want to add a micro interaction to the menu. Let's see if that works. And I want to add the ability to reorder tasks here. All right, let's see it in action. So I could actually reorder tasks. And let's see the micro interaction. This is pretty slick. Next, you could share it with the world. You could publish, and this one, I clicked publish, and now you can see it here. So now I have a public link that I could share with the world, and people could touch it and play with it and give me feedback. I can do user testing. I can use it for marketing. I can use it for ideation or brainstorming. And it's just super cool and makes it very available for designers. So try it out. Go to animapp.com. Paste your Figma link and prompt away.